Hey, what's up guys? Today's video really interesting because Dockwall app added two new features: 3D liquid glass lock screen clock and 3D spatial liquid effect, and this is really amazing features. And guys, I know definitely you also like these Dockwall's two new features. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download this Dockwall app on your Galaxy device. This app direct Play Store link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. Look at this new feature. First, let me show you lock screen liquid glass clock. Scroll, simply scroll, and look at this liquid clock and 3D spatial, these both new features. First, let me show you liquid clock. Okay, first guys, look at these wallpapers. You also add online wallpapers like this. Look at these many beautiful wallpapers, online wallpapers, or you also add local wallpaper. It means you add wallpaper from gallery. Okay, first let me show you with random wallpaper. First, tap on unlock. Tap on green button for unlock this new feature. Look at this new feature unlock. Simply tap on start. First, select image. Now set position. Look at this clock and position. This is actually liquid glass clock. Radius, blur effect, guys, remember no any change in distort option. Look at this edge, clock edge, set clock edge, edge light, increase edge light, brightness, and saturation. Now look at this clock sound. Or if you want to turn off this sound, then simply turn off. Look at this second. Now setting complete. Simply tap on three lines. Set this wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. Guys, after apply or before apply, simply disable your system clock. Look at this. Disable your system clock like this. Remember, select this adaptive clock and disable. And new liquid glass clock apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this. This is really amazing, right? Animation, beautiful animation, unlock effect. And guys, if you want to set only one wallpaper, then simply go to Dockwall app and cut other all wallpapers and apply again. And look at this. Now set just one wallpaper. Okay, let me show you next option. Sorry, next feature. Simply scroll. Look at this 3D spatial. Simply tap on unlock. Now look at this clock unlock, simply tap on start. First, tap on download AI model. Now select image. Okay, first I turn off clock sound. Now select image. Look at this. Just one image. Now first I set online image. Look at this. I select image. Simply tap on add. I select new image. Now tap on image selection. Select this new image. Guys, wait until generate. Now generating complete. Simply scroll and look at this time depth. Look at this guys, depth effect. Set manually depth effect. Set position like this. Radius. Brightness. Saturate. Edge. Clock edge. Clock sound. Now simply set this wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. And guys, look at this 3D spatial depth liquid clock. Apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this spatial effect. And look at this amazing unlock effect. Okay, let me show you with custom wallpaper. Tap on local. Now look at this guys. I select image from gallery. Now simply tap on image selection. Select this image. Wait until generate image. Now select clock, depth effect. Now simply tap on set this wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. And look at this liquid spatial depth clock. Also apply on local wallpaper. Look at this spatial effect. So guys, you also enable these dock walls both features on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.